There we go. I got all of the front end part stuff all removed in order to be able to start working on the van and cleaning it out.
Hey, this is supposed to be my van cleaning out video.
Oh, are you going to clean out the rest of it?
Yes.
Awesome. I'll let you pull it all out and you can show everybody what was inside. Here we go.
So we're going to be digging inside the van. So here's all the stuff that I've worked out. So if you cut it in half by here, the blue side is basically all of this, and that tote. And then you cut it in half right where that seam is. And that's right beside the green box. And it's basically all the stuff that came from there. Besides that, and that, and that. There's basically all the things that really didn't come out of the boxes. Here's our star of the day. Good girl. And this is what I basically do. So that black box was there. The green box, I don't remember where it was. Trash! Oh, let's start with that. Every car has to need one. Marker. Oh my. There's nothing here. What's that? Oh. I knew I saw the penny. Magic penny. You always want to check in these little glove boxes, or trash boxes. Oh, jeez. Sorry if I get off camera. Oh, there's right there. Oh, there's my third pencil was over there. Noodles and something. Then I want to show my subscribers I might need further information. Pretty sure there's some more private information. Yeah, I think that's private information. I knew I was going to get money from this van. Well, there we go. That's all of the stuff that was from Van-Haulen.
Alright, John's done gutting out most of everything that's in here other than a few things I told him to leave because I wanted to pull them out, like the birch plywood that's up here and the pressure treated lumber and stuff like that. I can pull out later once I get some vacuuming done. And we had to clean out every door panel in this thing. Had something stuffed in it, including over here on this one. This is why you don't leave canister foam in your vehicle. There's an old foam canister. It exploded and filled the door. There's some sort of cleaner product or something here. And if I go to cut this door, I'm going to have to be really careful because there's at least one more aerosol can somewhere in that foam. But, John, what do you think? Did you find anything cool?
Bug trying to hit my ear. Yes, I think the toilet paper and the knife are the coolest.
What kind of knife?
No.
Okay, you gotta hold still. What is it? Oh, it's a cobalt.
Cobalt knife.
Cool?
And there's even a little keychain thing.
There you go.
Or whatever that is.
So we got some power steering fluid, a really old sewer snake, some 7-year-old extreme foam, an entire 5-gallon bucket of deck and fence siding, but the color is gone. I pulled this open and it seems to be some sort of like gray type color. If anybody's in my area and a gray deck and fence siding stain thing for free is on your list of things you need, you can take it. If it works for you, good. Otherwise, I want it gone. So, 2 of those, and tons and tons of brad nails. Most of them are angular brad nails. So I'm going to have to see if I can get something for that. All kinds of these types of Torx head screws, which are worth their weight in gold. All kinds of really long ones. And we got a dog food bowl, a Ford hubcap.
That came from this.
And that goes with the other dog food bowl over there. A little air compressor that unfortunately is all rusted up and has definitely been abused and beaten. And an empty box. That was melodramatic. Cool. That's actually almost full. So we got some air tool stuff. Oh, I better go and put that up. It's leaking. A whole bunch of other random tools. Scraper. Another knife. Oh, knife that actually works. This one's good quality.
I thought it was broken.
And let me see here. Empty. More brads. Oh, that's too bad. That pouch is empty. It doesn't have it. But at least that pouch goes with the knife. See? Just like that. There we go. And empty. Oh, that's what's supposed to be in it. Nope, that's the wrong one. We got what John thought were little toy cars. If you guys know what these actually are, they go in a track like this. They're a set of door hangers. But toy cars is pretty close. And empty can of paint thinner, that's helpful. Another box of random, hey, there's some drill bits in that one. Drill bits are always good to find. What is this? Oh, it's chalk line stuff. Alright, cool. A little bit of chalk line. You can always powder bomb somebody with that. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you go and take some of this and you go and put it inside of pantyhose or whatever, and you throw it at each other until one of you ends up having a coughing fit. Let's see, what do we got here? We got Thompson water seal, clear, blah blah blah. That's actually full. Interesting. Water prevention. That'll be good for doing some stuff. Random, empty. More random nails. I wonder why they have red tips. See, air nailers became a thing after I quit doing construction. I actually never used an air nailer while I was doing construction as a teenager and into my 20s. So, there's a bunch more there. So we might have to go and see what we got there. More brad nails, stuff like that. Some more nailing stuff. Might have to see if anybody's interested in that stuff, because I don't expect to be using all of that anytime soon. What do we got here? Oh, that's full too. What is this that's full? Water seal, signature, stain sealer, ultimate protection. Huh. Well, I don't see myself using that either, but we'll think about it. Maybe we'll paint your garage in that, John. See if that'll seal it up. That might be a good idea. What is this? Oh, we got decking screws. That entire case is almost full. That right there is worth like 20-something bucks.
We got like 100 bucks.
Yeah, there we go. Cool. Empty box. Empty lunch. More empty. More decking screws.
No, those are the same one that I showed you.
Oh yeah, these are those little specialty screw things. See, they got this specialty top. So, that's cool. I'm sure we'll use those for something. What's this one? Premium translucent wood finish. Natural gloss. Well, I don't tend to do much clear wood paint, so we'll figure out what to do there. Got a working woodworker's clamp. Those are always good. Tend to burn those up when we're welding. Hey, look at this. It's an adjustable hammer. Or an adjustable sledge at the size of this thing. Actually, that feels almost aluminum. Yeah, that's some sort of aluminum or something, so you don't want to pound with that one too much.
Why?
It's actually really light because of being made out of that. But we'll go and fix that up in order to be able to use. Random pencil. More random. I mean, we got brad nails for days. This has got to be like the 5th or 6th full box of brad nails that's in here. And some sort of weird trolley thing. I'm not quite sure what that goes to.
We make that into our zip line.
No, you need more than that for a zip line, but that's a good try. I'm sure in some kids movie they'd make it into a zip line.
You got that you would have the rope attached to, so then, and then you would have like a handle, and then you would go wee.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's not the way a zip line does. Or at least not a zip line that's legitimate enough not to slice your entire head off while you're using it.
And then you have like a panel here that goes like that, so then once you attach it on, it stays on.
How about when you manage to go and learn how to swim better, we put a zip line over the pond? Yeah. How's that sound? Okay.
And then jump out, and then jump off.
So, there we go. That's the bounty of the Van-Haulen project so far.
We just got money from this.
How much money do you think you got?
Oh, let's check.
Well, let's check. Oh, where's the money? Oh, you left the money in the cab?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Alright. Go ahead. Alright, so there's money. How much money? Do you get to keep the money as pay for dealing with this grunginess? Give you a moment? Okay.
1 penny.
Oh, that's a lot of money.
It was made in 2005.
Cool. So you got paid about how much I do to care.
We just got more in here.
Oh, there's more? How much more? Can you give a guess?
10 cents. It's probably like 2 cents.
Oh, you put your 2 cents worth in?
4 cents.
Oh, we're really paying the bills now. Do you find a quarter at least? You'd think one of those hobos could have at least left a quarter.
Oh.
What's that? Another penny?
Another penny.
Alright, well, you got your 5 pennies.
No, there's more.
Alright, well, we're not gonna make them watch you dig out every single penny in the whole world. Alright, John. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
There we go. So, obviously, there is a ton more to go and do at this point. I basically want to try and get the front clip put back together before I forget how I took it apart, because that tends to happen. And then after that, we've got to get the whole rear end really actually fully gutted, cleaned. We got to see if we can get some of that foam chiseled out of that door. And then we get down to the part of trying to go and actually mark off everything for being able to cut this thing up and start doing the cab rear relocation part of this project. But I want to get this front clip on and make sure all the electrical is working before I get into everything else. One of the big issues I'm going to be dealing with in this project is the relocation of pretty much every single bit of rear electrical. So the more of it that I can sort out and make sure is perfect before I cut it up, the better off I'm going to be. Have fun, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Okay, ready? Hi, where'd you find that box?
I found this box inside the cab.
Awesome. We actually have a locking door. We didn't think we were going to. It only came with just the ignition key. Cool. Good job, John. I'm glad you were monkeying around, looking around in the back.